Hi everyone, my name is Bella. Today I will share you about how to make chicken rica rica. First, prepare the ingredients. The ingredients are chicken, galangal, turmeric, ginger, shallot, garlic, hot chili, candle nut, green chili, red chili, lemongrass, lime, pandan leaf, sliced kaffir leaf, and local basil leaf, sugar, pepper, turmeric powder, chicken powder, salt,
Lick and spring onion.
and the last is oil.
The first step is marinate the chicken with salt, turmeric powder, chicken powder, and pepper. Mix the chicken with your hand. Don't forget to add the lime juice. You can use 2 or 3 lime. Then mix again with your hand. Let them marinate at least 30 minutes. Step 2. Cut the green chili, red chili, set aside in other container. Cut the shallot, garlic, and hot chili. Pour the oil into the pan and heat the stove. Add the ingredients and cook until fragrant. Next, transfer the ingredient into the grinder. Add the candle nut and sliced turmeric. In this video, I use traditional grinder to make ground paste. Step 3. Deep fry all chicken in hot oil and cook until half cooked. Turn over carefully the chicken and look at the beautiful brown chicken. After half cooked, drain well the chicken. Step 4. Crush the ginger, galangal, and lemongrass. Saute the ground paste until the ground paste are fragrant. Add the crushed ginger, galangal, and lemongrass. Pour some water and stir it. Then seasoning with salt, pepper, chicken powder, and sugar. And stir again to mix evenly. Add the fried chicken. Stir until the seasoning is evenly distributed. Add the pandan leaf, leeks and spring onion, sliced kaffir leaf and local basil leaf. Then stir well. Cover the pan and let cook until 30 minutes on medium heat or until chicken is fully cooked and tender. Next, open the cover and turn off the stove. Then serve the chicken rica rica.